Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 10 new cool woodworking and carpentry tools that can make your projects smoother, faster, and more precise. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned craftsman, these tools are designed to bring innovation right to your workbench. Let's get started. Number 1. The Massca Aluminum Pocket Hole Jig System Pro M2 is designed to make joinery more precise and reliable. Built with a heavy-duty aluminum body, it provides a stable base for drilling pocket holes in workshops or garages. One of its practical features is the dust spout connector, which helps capture sawdust and debris during drilling, keeping the workspace cleaner and reducing airborne particles. The jig also includes a T-track slot, adding flexibility for different setups. An adjustable depth knob allows users to quickly match drill depth to the thickness of the wood, helping prevent splintering or splitting. This system supports accurate hole placement, making it easier to repair joints or prepare boards for assembly. To enhance usability, it comes with accessories such as a hex key, stop collar, screws, and setup bars, ensuring smoother work with long boards and consistent results across various DIY carpentry projects. Number 2. The Kreg KWS 500 Track Horse is a versatile support system designed for woodworking and home improvement tasks. Constructed from aluminum and steel, it functions as a sawhorse, clamping center, and general work support. Its adaptability makes it useful for cutting, assembling, or holding materials securely in place. The track horse features 6 adjustable height settings, allowing users to match the tool to different projects or working positions. When not in use, it folds compactly, making storage and transport straightforward. For larger projects, 2 track horses can be combined to create a stable work surface capable of supporting up to 2,200 pounds. This flexibility means it can handle everything from lightweight boards to heavy-duty panels. By serving multiple roles, support, clamping, and workspace extension, the track horse helps woodworkers maximize efficiency in limited spaces while maintaining strength and reliability during demanding tasks. Number 3. The Preciva 12-inch Carpenter Square is a multifunctional layout tool designed to support a wide range of woodworking and carpentry tasks. With this single square, users can draw parallel and vertical lines, mark angles, position drilling points, and even check table saw height. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it offers strength while remaining lightweight, and its laser-calibrated markings ensure precision that lasts. The scale is highly resistant to scratches, so measurements remain clear over time. Unlike standard carpenter squares that use a 1/8-inch scale, this model features a 1/16-inch scale, providing finer accuracy for detailed work. This makes it especially useful when precision is critical in joinery or construction. Beyond woodworking, the square can be applied in construction, mathematical measurement, and even handmade projects, making it a versatile tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. Its combination of durability and accuracy helps streamline tasks and improve overall efficiency. Number 4. The Kakuri Japanese Carpenter Hammer, also known as a Geno, is a traditional woodworking tool valued for its balance and precision. Weighing 10.5 ounces, it is suitable for tasks such as adjusting planes, chiseling, and driving nails. The hammer features a double-faced head, one side flat, the other slightly domed. This design allows users to begin nailing with a flat face and finish with the domed side, reducing the risk of damaging the wood surface. The head is crafted from high-quality Japanese carbon steel, securely wedged to the handle for durability and long-term use. The handle itself is made from natural Japanese oak, offering both strength and comfort. Its smooth finish ensures a firm grip during extended work sessions. Handcrafted by Japanese artisans, the Geno hammer blends tradition with functionality, making it a reliable tool for beginners and experienced carpenters alike. Number 5. The Microjig Match Fit Grid Router Guide Kit is designed to simplify the process of creating dovetail track grids. Instead of relying on rulers or layout lines, its self-indexing base automatically spaces each groove exactly 4 inches apart. This eliminates guesswork and ensures consistent, repeatable results across large panels or smaller sleds. The guide is particularly useful for building custom workbenches and jigs, where precise dovetail tracks allow for flexible clamping and positioning. Operation is straightforward. Set the desired depth, and the guide maintains accuracy throughout the routing process. Compatible with most standard routers featuring 4 to 7-inch bases and 1 to 3 horsepower motors, it requires a Porter cable-style guide bushing or adapter for secure performance. By combining ease of use with precision, the match-fit system helps woodworkers achieve professional quality grids quickly, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to expand the versatility of their workshop setups. Number 6. The Kreg Rebel 20-volt ionic drive pocket hole joiner kit is a compact, cordless tool designed to simplify pocket hole joinery. With one motion drilling, it creates pocket holes quickly and with consistent precision, eliminating the need for clamping during setup. This efficiency makes it especially useful for assembling furniture, cabinetry, or small carpentry projects where durable joints are essential. Powered by a 20-volt blue-ion battery and charger, the Rebel offers flexibility to work in different locations without being tied to a bench or outlet. Its handheld design allows for mobility, making it practical for on-the-go woodworking or job site tasks. The depth control ensures holes are drilled accurately to match the thickness of the material, reducing the risk of splitting or misalignment. By combining portability with precision, the Rebel pocket hole joiner provides a straightforward solution for creating strong joints in a variety of woodworking applications. Number 7. Setup blocks are small measuring bars used in woodworking. They help set the height of router bits, table saw blades, and fences. Each block is made from aluminum and is very accurate, within 1/1000th of an inch. The sizes are marked clearly: 1/8, 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch. You can stack the blocks together to create other sizes. This makes it easy to get repeatable results without guessing. The aluminum material is strong, resists rust, and will not damage cutting edges. The blocks come in a storage case, so they stay organized and ready to use. By using setup blocks, woodworkers save time and improve accuracy. They are simple, durable, and very useful for anyone who wants precise machine settings in the workshop. Number 8. Ryoba Japanese pull saw and flush cut saw. This set includes 2 traditional Japanese hand saws, a 9.5-inch Ryoba saw, and a 6-inch flush cut saw. The Ryoba saw has a dual-edged blade. One side has 10 teeth per inch for rip cuts, and the other side has 17 teeth per inch for cross cuts. This makes it useful for cutting along the grain and across the grain with the same tool. The flush cut saw also has 2 edges, with 14 and 17 teeth per inch, designed for trimming dowels or plugs close to the surface, without damaging the wood. Both saws feature hardened steel blades that stay sharp and cut cleanly through hardwood or softwood. The handles are made from smooth beechwood, wrapped with black rattan for grip and comfort. These saws combine accuracy, tradition, and durability, making them excellent tools for joinery, fine woodworking, and detailed carpentry projects. Number 9. Tullik 4-piece flat pry bar set. This set includes 4 pry bars in different sizes: a 15-inch heavy-duty bar, a 10-inch medium bar, a 7.5-inch nail remover, and a 5.5-inch mini bar. Having multiple sizes means you can choose the right tool for each task, from small trim work to heavy lifting. Each bar is made from hardened CRV steel, which adds strength and durability. The beveled edges and nail slots make it easier to pull nails cleanly. The angled chisel ends are useful for prying, scraping, and lifting materials. Handles are covered with PVC grips, designed to be comfortable and reduce hand strain. The labor-saving design helps apply force more efficiently, so less effort is needed. These pry bars are practical for home remodeling, woodworking, and general DIY projects. They work well for removing trim, baseboards, or molding, and for tasks that require leverage, lifting, or careful material separation. Number 10. The Pride and Craft 8-inch nail puller is a compact tool designed for removing nails, staples, and fasteners. Its precision-machined claws grip firmly, making it easier to extract embedded or rusted nails without harming the wood surface. The tool is forged from CRV steel and heat-treated for toughness, so it can handle heavy use in carpentry or framing work. At 8 inches long, it offers a balance between leverage and control, giving enough force to pull stubborn nails while remaining easy to handle. The handles feature a non-slip coating with 2 layers of TPR material. This design improves grip, reduces vibration, and makes the tool more comfortable during extended use. Whether used in woodworking, home repair, or construction, the nail puller provides reliable performance. Its size and strength make it a practical addition to any toolbox, especially for tasks that require precision and durability.